everyone, Amanda here. I thought I'd come and share my complete steampunk journal. It's been really fun to make. It's taken me quite a while because I do it on and off, but I've had a week off, so it's been really fun. I've really enjoyed it. So this is quite a chunky little monkey. We've got 72 pages front and back, excluding the covers, and it's a soft cover, which means it's 2 layers of very thick cardstock. As you can see, I've machine sewn them, and we've got metal embellishments on each corner. Well, on the 2 there, I've not put them here obviously so that it can fold. It's hand sewn. I've left the sewing exposed this time because I'm getting neater at doing it. And in between the sandwich is a nice wide thick piece of Tyvek which strengthens that spine so that so this doesn't start coming through and tearing. So on the front here we've got a layered kind of cover. I've kept it quite simple. We've got some matte paper at the back there, which is actually one of my Stampin' Up papers. I'm rubbish at remembering the names. I think it's All Around the World or something like that, I can't remember. And then we've got cardstock, book paper, and then this here is a digiprint from Artimaze. On the bottom here we've got a little cluster of ephemera. That one's got an epoxy dome sticker over it. These are a mixture of Tim Holtz and then Artimaze. The word journal there is a freebie from the Artimaze group over on Facebook, and I've got quite a strong accent, so it's arte, as in art, arte, and then maze, M-A-Z-E, okay? Not anti-maze, arte, A-R-T-Y-M-A-Z-E. Type that into Facebook, type it into your Google search engine, you'll find her Facebook group, you'll find her videos, you'll find her where she sells these. They're awesome, and she's a lovely, 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 lovely lady as well. So we've got metal embellishments there that I've had in my stash forever, glued on with glossy accents. I've used eyelets here for the closure. We've got a twine binding closure. I was going to put seam binding, but I just thought that the twine was just a bit more steampunkish. This here is also a pocket, I forgot, with a lovely tagging that I've made with that lovely gentleman there. It's been sewn and layered, so it's nice and sturdy, and the butterflies there are stamped onto book page. Okay, so I've made these myself. Inside here we've got a pocket with a collection of just envelopes and a bit of ephemera, and then a journaling card. So this envelope here is actually like a wage packet, an old-fashioned wage packet. Okay, slip that in there. We've got a ticket from the kit and then a little bit of collaging. This is part of a snippet. So this little collage here is on actually got a lace background. So on this page here we've done some stenciling using a Tim Holtz stencil. I've done some collaging, made a pocket with some random paper, and these are all from the kit. And this is from the kit, and I've backed it on craft card and sewn around it. So here we've got the background paper. Here is Madame Perrault. Here I've used an old card, attached this lovely gentleman, metal embellishment, opens out to make like a little notebook here, and the top part there is also got a tag with a metal top on. Okay, I've not done anything else to that tag, I've just left it as it is and just hand sewn around it, machine sewn around it. Okay, stick that back in there. And then here we've got another pocket. This paper here, I think, I don't know where I got it from. I think it was like a pound paper pad from somewhere, and it had all vintage stuff in. And some little bling. We've got another tag that's been sewn. I've done some zigzag stitching and some plain, and then I've collaged on with a few bits from the kit. This paper here is totally recycled. All of the brown paper in here is recycled from packaging from my Sensei delivery that I had, and they pack everything with loads of brown paper, so I unravelled it, straightened it all out and cut it into loads of pages to use for journaling. So these are little money envelopes that I have collaged on. We've got some more stenciling there. I've got 2 different stencils that I'm using at the moment. That one's like a flourish and that one's like cogs. Beautiful they are. Little tuck spot there, pocket with a little tag that I've cut from some craft cardstock and just added some ephemera on, and a little card. This gentleman here is fussy cut from the kit, a little bit of bling, just random sewing on my machine, playing with it, and I've left it all crumpled, so it's lovely, but it'd be fantastic to write on, and it's lovely to touch. And then this is music paper. I've added like a tuck pocket. We've got another one of my money wallets. We've got a tag here, and I've just sewn some seam binding on the top, and then we've just got a journaling card that's been coffee dyed, and that slides back in there and is all held on with just little paper clips. So music paper, we've got a doily. This is a paper bag that I actually found in my daughter's bedroom. Don't know what she'd had in it. And in there are various journaling cards, just plain for writing, that I've made. Okay, this is dictionary paper. Little pocket here that's been collaged on. It's got a little tag that slides out at the bottom. Been playing with my sewing machine there as well. I had awesome fun. Okay, so more music paper, bit of collage in here. This is all from Auntie May's ephemera kit. She's got like an ephemera, I can't remember what it's called, but it's all like ephemera, like stamps and little tags, things that you can cut out and collage with. It's really, really cool. And we've got some more stenciling there and more stamped butterflies. That's the Madame Perrault paper. This is coffee dyed, stenciled. We've just got a journaling tag there, and then another doily. This is book page. I think it's like an encyclopedia, that one. This is a long envelope, and then that's the centre of the signature with that beautiful Madame Perrault paper. And then here we've got a pocket which is loaded with a large tag. I've got some ephemera that I've sewn, and then this I've turned into a little notebook with some papers. I'll just tuck that back in there. And then I've just added a ticket there. Okay, more stenciling and sewing. Here's one of the snippets that I made. I've showed on my social media. So it's lace on the background, like cotton lace, and then you add your ephemera, and then I've sewn machined that to keep it together, and then glued it to the page. We've got a collection here of just ephemera and a journaling card. Okay. More of that lovely paper. Here we've got a tuck spot. I actually glued that on the wrong, upside down. It was meant to be down here. So what I did was I then just added this on some dimensionals so that I can use that. And you've just got a little journaling card there, and that just slips back in there, and then you just tuck it behind there that says field notes. Okay. And this is from the kit. These little labels here, I think, are a freebie as well on Auntie May's Facebook. Dictionary pages. We've got the other side of the paper bag there with more journaling cards. These are two little money envelopes that I turned into little tag pockets. I've just stuck some random ephemera on there. We've got a corner flip here with some nice collaging on, so you can lift that up and write on it. And then we've got just various journaling cards there. We've got a large envelope there with Steampunk Steve on for you to put things in, and on the background there is just coffee dyed paper. Okay, I've stenciled on that side. Here we've got another one of my money wallets that I've turned into a little tag tuck. And then here we've got this rather dapper gentleman there. I've added a metal embellishment there, and then added just bits and bobs for you to write on in the pocket. Let me get that back in. Get in. Don't want to go back in now. Hold on a minute. That one in first. Why ain't that going in? It's getting stuck somewhere. There we go, that's it. And that one. There we go. Okay. And then the back page there, we've got another one with another dapper looking gentleman there. I've done a bit of collaging. We've got the word memories, and I've got a little embellishment thing there. And a few more bits that you can journal on, and some more beautiful, beautiful stenciling, and that's it. So it's quite nice and chunky. So that is for sale. It is the journal. This one is £30 plus postage. Now if you're in the UK, it will go first class, which is about £3.10. If you are outside the UK, you'll have to message me, I'll have to weigh it, and then we will see what the postage will be. But I will send it anywhere. It won't be overly expensive because I can wrap that in bubble wrap, it'll be perfectly fine. So there you go, I'm going to do another one now. I've got another steampunk one, half done, but I'm going to do one next that's a little bit more girly. I fancy doing one with pinks and blues and florals and things in, so I think that's going to be my next project. So there you go. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.